In this video, we'll go through the process of cutting and installing the secondary beams on your pergola. Note that depending on the style of pergola you're building, the secondary beams may not be present, so check your plans first. After cutting the secondary beams to length, the next step is to cut the decorative end treatments on the board. The example shown here is a simple arc, but please stay tuned for the video that follows for more detailed instructions and for even more examples. Cutting these out is best accomplished with the jigsaw. After cutting one end, it can be used as a template for the remaining beams. If your offcut is in one piece, it may be possible to use it as a template for the other ends of the beams. Once the tails are cut, lift the beam and rest it on the shoulder of the tendon at the top of the posts. Ensure that the beam overhang matches that shown in the drawings. Having a couple hand clamps available here is useful if you don't have someone else to hold this up for you. Once the beam is in position, pre-drill the beam according to the fastening schedule on the drawings. Then use the specified fasteners to attach the beam to the post. Repeat this at the other end. And then repeat for the remaining secondary beams on the pergola.